Good evening, everyone, and welcome to a special St. Patrick's Day edition of Late Night Cooking Corner with Giuseppe CrimiVaroli. On this Late Night Cooking Corner, we're going to be making 3 milkshakes, most notably the Shamrock Shake in honor of St. Patrick himself. Alright everyone, to get things kicked off, I'm going to be showing you how to make the Shamrock Shake. What I've got laid out before me are the ingredients for 1 Shamrock Shake. What you're going to need are the following. You're going to need 1 cup of vanilla ice cream, 1/3 of a cup of whole milk, several droplets of leprechaun tears, and 7 drops of mint extract. Stuff is potent. Alright, let's get down to the brass tacks of things. Take our blender, put everything in it. Five leprechaun tears should suffice. And then the mint extract. Now we'll cap this bad boy, put it in the blender, and mix it up. Now that you've blended up your Shamrock Shake, it's time to pour it in a cup and top it with whipped cream. Go ahead, take it out, uncap your blender, pour out your Shamrock Shake, and top it with whipped cream. Delicious. Our second milkshake of the night is going to be an Oreo Nutella milkshake for all you chocolate lovers out there. So what you're going to need is the following. Whipped cream to top, of course, but you're also going to need 5 Oreos, a tablespoon of Nutella, a cup of milk, and 3 tablespoons of vanilla ice cream. You're going to take all this, throw it in the blender, then we'll pour it in a cup and see how it looks. 3 tablespoons of vanilla ice cream, close enough, 1 cup of milk, 5 Oreos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a tablespoon of Nutella. Now we're going to put the top on this blender and mix it up. I mean, if nothing else, it looks chocolatey. Let's go ahead, pour this bad boy out, top it with whipped cream. That is looking delicious. Alright, the third and final milkshake we're going to be making for you tonight is an orange creamsicle milkshake. You're going to need a heaping scoop of orange sherbet, a heaping scoop of vanilla ice cream, and 1 cup of orange soda. That's it. You just throw those in the blender and blend it. Go ahead, take your ice cream and sherbet, drop them into the blender, pour your orange soda over the top, put the top on your blender, and blend it right up. Alright, now that your milkshake is done, you take it, pour it into your glass. And top it with whipped cream. Beautiful. Let's go in for a taste. That is delicious. I want to thank you all for coming to the St. Patrick's Day edition of Late Night Cooking Corner with Giuseppe CrimiVaroli. I hope you enjoy our 3 milkshake recipes. Maybe you'll have a shamrock shake on St. Patrick's Day. Who knows? If you have anything you want to say or see on the show, leave it in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. Share it to your friends. And bye-bye now.